Hello, my name is Muhammad Siraj. I am going to show you how to create a website using 5 steps. Step number 1, choose a domain name. Step number 2, register a domain and sign up with web hosting. Step number 3, set up a website using WordPress through web hosting. Step number 4, customize your website design and structure. 5 and 6 we do together. 5, add important pages and content, and then set up a navigation menu. First step, choose your domain name and hosting. We are going to use Bluehost company for the domain and hosting. It is only $3.95 per month for the hosting with a free domain. Let's go to Bluehost to see the method of how to get our posting. Click on the link in the description and you will get here. Then click get started. Learn more. Then start my website. Select the basic plan, which is $3.94 per month. Select. Now you have to choose a web domain or domain name for your website. You have to choose your site domain name. Then, for example, I will try to use this. Next. Here you need to create your account. You can sign in with Google, or you fill the information in this page and then click submit. The second step, after we get our hosting and our WordPress, then we want to set up the WordPress site in our hosting. Go to your website. First, let me log out. Set up WordPress. Then we go to our website, this website, and /login to log to the WordPress site and start choosing our customizing our website. Then enter your email or your username and password and click login. You will get to the WordPress dashboard of your website, and we are going to customize the WordPress here. Then number 3, customize your website design and structure. Here we are going to change the themes and other elements with our website. To change your theme, first go to appearance, then themes, then add new, and right here your theme name, or you can choose from latest or popular or featured theme found in the WordPress repository. WordPress themes. This can take some time to install, and then activate your theme. After installed, click activate, and this is your theme. And now we are going to customize our theme to change the logo and add some, you can see the site here. Visit your site. This is your site, and we are going to change some features here. Third step. Fourth step, add important pages and content. To add a page to our website, go to pages and choose add new. Okay, this is my page, editing page or creating page. First, you need to add title to your page. You have to add the content here. We have to add first this page. This is demonstrate my. This demonstrates my first page. This is some text. Then we can add image. Click in the plus sign, then choose image. We can upload it or choose from our media library or insert from a URL. I will choose from the media library. Choose this, for example. Then you can add another elements like video, gallery, embed code, heading, list, codes, and audio, and other blocks if you wanna to add to your website. A lot of elements in WordPress you can add to your site. Okay. After that, we click publish to publish our website, our page. Publish. If you wanna see the website, click view page. This is my first page where I get now my first page, and this is the content of our page. Then we go to dashboard to add new post. From post, add new post. My first post, for example, this is the title, and we can add some text here or add heading first. Heading, your heading goes here. And you can choose the heading setting, H1 or H2 or 3 till H6. I choose H2 for the heading. Then we can add the same as we did in the page creation. Add image, add picture or image to your website from media library, and then insert, and then update, publish, and view our website again. This is the picture we added, and this is the heading, and this is my first page. Fifth step, set up a navigation menu. We go to dashboard, click in my blog, menu. To add a menu to our website, we go to appearance, Then menus, from appearance, choose menus. Then choose primary menu, select, and at our page already we have about page and contact page. We can add our new page, add to menu. Then it will appear here. Then click save menu, and when we visit our website, the home page, we will find our menu here, about, contact, and my favorite page. That is it.